To begin working with our composition, we need to prepare our paper. Now this is just a piece of sketchbook paper because we are going to plan out our composition on here and then later trace it onto our good paper. That way any mistakes we make we can freely erase when we need to and not have it affect the final outcome of our project. So we're working with the rule of thirds. So we are going to first fold our paper into thirds, both in landscape and portrait. I simply do this. I take my right side and I begin to move it over towards the left. And what I'm looking for is that I have about the same amount of space from the corner of my right side to where it's going to fold, and from where the right side overlaps the paper to the left side. Once I feel that I am close to that, then I bring the left side up and over, and I start to gently press down. And while I do that, I just kind of nudge my ends in. So my right side, I nudge in towards the left. My left side, I nudge over towards the right. And I'll be fairly close to a one-thirds composition. So I have 1, 2, and 3 spaces that are roughly about the same size. I then turn my paper into landscape view, and I do the same thing. I carefully bring my right edge over towards my left, and once again I look from my right edge to where it's going to fold and compare it to where my right edge overlaps my paper to my left edge. And if they look similar or about the same size, I bring my left edge up and over. And again, I gently start to press down, trying to bring my edges as close to where the paper's folding. And that is how I quickly mark off my paper for the rule of thirds.